Look, the brutal truth is this. You're stuck. Every damn day you watch budgets barely move. You send out endless emails, run campaigns, plead on socials, and what do you get? Crickets. Maybe a few donations here and there, but not the surge you need. You're exhausted, frustrated, angry. Because you know your cause matters, but the noise out there is killing every chance to reach fresh donors. It feels like you're banging your head against a wall. You're watching others get traction with shiny tools and flashy pitches, while your donor list barely budges. You want, no, need new energy, new people, but somehow it's impossible. Here's the thing nobody's telling you loud enough. Mobile giving isn't just some gimmick or minor side channel, it's a damn game changer. But it's only game-changing if you actually get it right. Too many are treating it like another box to tick, a simple QR code slapped at the end of an email or event. That's lazy. That's why it fails. If you want new donors overnight, you have to brutalize your old thinking and rebuild the entire approach around mobile. Step 1. Stop asking donors to visit the link or go to the website. They won't. They're scrolling, distracted, maybe even annoyed by fundraising in their feed. You need to make the ask in their hand, in their moment, with zero friction. That means direct, simple click-to-donate options that live exactly where they already are. SMS giving, Apple Pay integration, Google Pay, Venmo, or any one-touch method. No steps, no passwords, no form-filling nightmares. You make donation easier than liking a post, and suddenly you get that new blood rushing in. Step 2. Stop wasting time and money trying to convince everyone to give. Mobile giving hits its stride when you identify and amplify micro moments. Those sudden sparks of emotion at an event, during breaking news, after a personal story hits hard on their feed, become crystal clear signals. Be ready to strike right there, right then, with zero delay. That's how you convert people before they scroll away, before that moment disappears. Invest in real-time triggers combined with push notifications that aren't spam, but moments that feel personal, urgent, unavoidable. This is how new donors flood in. Step 3. Own your data like your life depends on it. Mobile donations come with gold you've probably never seen before. Exact timing, device info, location, referral source. Use it aggressively. Diagnose which moments, which platforms, which types of messages bring in the fresh faces, the one-time donors who can become monthly supporters. And then double down on what works. Most teams ignore this or don't know what to look for. That's why their mobile giving barely moves the needle. You harness this data, you get predictable growth. You miss it, you're just throwing darts in the dark. Step 4, and this is the kicker. Embrace social proof at every touchpoint. Humans don't just want to give. They want to belong to something bigger. Mobile giving's power explodes when you show real-time impact. How many gave just now? What that means for the cause. Stories that connect the dots instantly. When donors see they're not alone, that others jump in the same second, their own resistance melts. But you need the tech, the guts, and the narrative tight enough to pull this off fast. Most organizations don't. Most blow this chance. Finally, don't just copy old tactics with a new device. Mobile giving is not a channel. It's a total mindset shift. You have to build a seamless, zero-friction, emotionally raw experience designed for the now. Fast, personal, connected. And guess what? When you do this right, new donors don't just trickle. They pour in. Overnight even. Because people give where it's easiest and most emotional. They give when you make it impossible to say no. Stop wasting time with old campaigns that drain your energy and fail to move hearts. This is your shot to change the game. The tools exist. The audience is right there on their phones. The only thing missing is you stepping up, executing like your mission depends on it, because it does. Mobile giving can bring you new donors overnight, but only if you kill the old playbook and build the future now. No excuses. No distractions, just results. Start tomorrow. Start right now. Don't let the opportunity slip while you wait for the perfect campaign. The clock's ticking, and trust me, your cause deserves those new faces, that new fire, now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.